Yeah, all right, guys, you're welcome to the 19th question of this very challenge. And very quickly, we want to evaluate log 13.5 base A, but we are given what log 2 base A is and what log 3 base A is. So that is what we know, but we don't know what is log 13.5 base A. So the idea is, can you rewrite 30.5 in 2 and 3? And if that is possible, then this work is done. So let's get started. What is even 13.5? 13.5, like you know, is the same as 135 over 10 in fraction, right? Good. Then you see that we can actually break down this fraction to the lowest form. If 5 divides 10, you have 2. And if 5 divides this guy, you have 2, 7, right? Perfect. You see, I already have 27 over 2. Nothing can divide again. Let's just rewrite 13.5 as 27 over 2. So this guy becomes log 13.5 becomes 27 upon 2, then base A. You know, we can actually express this guy as log 27 base A minus log 2 base A. Perfect. This guy is safe because we know what is log 2 base A, and that is this here. So can we rewrite 27 in the powers of 3 in 3? Yes, of course. You know 27 is the same as 3 to the 3. That's 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So this guy is the same as log 3 to the 3 base A minus log 2 base A. Of course, the 3 can fall behind, so we have 3 log 3 base A minus log 2 base A. Now, the rest is just substitution. So let us substitute. What is log 3 base A? That is just 1.097. And this guy is the same as 0.693. So let's multiply 3. I will need to use my calculator. 3 times 1, sorry, 3 times 1.097. That will give me 3.291. Then minus it, minus 0.693 from it. Minus 0.693. That's 693. And that's going to give us 2.598. And that is option C. So that is how to go about this problem. I hope it's clear. So thank you for watching and see you in the next class. Bye-bye and God bless you.